Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be jumping into a DIY on how to make these Anna White chairs. We got the plans off of her website. I will leave the link below so that you guys, if you want to make your own chairs, you can do so. So what we started off with was our cuts. I didn't film us cutting because you guys have seen us do that a million times. If you're new, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back. That's something that you guys have seen us do, so I just skipped that part for time's sake. So what we did is we just organized all of our pieces, like our armrest and things like that, just so it would be a little bit easier for us to go ahead and organize once we started drilling. So we did use self-tapping screws, as you guys can see here. My husband and I are using a spacer to divide the spaces between the wood because that's the kind of look of this outdoor chair. Very happy to see this part just because you can kind of see the chair starting to come together. By the way, this chair does weigh a ton. It's very heavy. We use treated wood, so of course that is heavier, and then at the end you'll see us letting it sit out to dry just because the wood was so wet. We didn't want to go ahead and stain it while it was still wet. And then now we're just attaching the tops to the bottom, and this was fairly easy. Again, we just used the self-tapping screws, which made this project so much easier. And make sure you're using outdoor screws. Really excited at this part because we are almost at the finish line. As you guys can see, we started putting the seat slots in. We technically could have, Anna White only used, she said you can only use 4, but we ended up using 5 just because this was going to somebody and we wanted it to be extra secure. So right now we're just testing out our cushions that we had on our sectional that we built 4 years ago, and we're just testing it out to see how it works.
Hey, come on, bro.
Now we are so this is the finished product. We let them dry for a few hours out in the sun. Actually, you know what? No, we left it out for I think like a day or two, honestly. And we went ahead and made a side table. We did not film the side table, and this is what it looks like unstained. And we did use a Behr stain. The name of the stain is Chocolate, and I'll put a link for that below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and one more thing. We also made a child's chair. That was that small chair that you just saw. So in total, we made 3 chairs, and we just followed the same thing. So we thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.